Hello, fellow creatives. Let me hope we are all doing well and we are fine. And today we are going to be seeing how we can increase our YouTube video earnings. Okay, as people that are basically monetized, how you can increase your YouTube earnings by not changing the niche you are dealing in, but looking at winning more people from tier 1 countries. Okay, from tier 1 countries and maybe tier 2 and 3. Let us at least target tier 1 to 3. Okay, and which is the best for your campaigns. Okay, so remember always that you should keep within those countries and then you'll happen to earn big. So what we are going to be understanding today, what are they, how can we do our marketing to see that we win more people there. So that is what I'm going to be explaining in this video. By the way, I'm MUCIAN from MUCIAN Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. So if at all you're out there and you would want to learn Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, endeavor to see that you contact me on the numbers that you happen to see just below in the description of this video, or you contact me via my email. I'll happen to read and help you somewhere, somehow. Okay, so if at all you want to know how to benefit from your career as a creative person, as a content creator, as a musician, how should you release your music, where should you put it, consult please. I'm here ready to give you some guidance. So if we continue with our video, so choosing the right demographic is essential to digital advertising. So let me say we are going to be advertising our video, or we like YouTube creates impressions. So if at all you have your impressions attracting people from those countries that are tier 1 countries, okay, then it means you'll earn a lot. Okay, so before you get there, you would look at your audience. Okay, if we continue, we say you need to know what audience is more like to buy your product or click on your ad. Okay, targeting is crucial for any successful what campaign. So for your campaign to be successful, you need to set a target. Okay, set a goal. What do you want to achieve? Who do you want to meet using this advert? So first set a goal. Okay, and one of the most important things to consider is which country user is from. Which country user are you from as a user? Okay, then which people are you targeting and where are they from? Okay, you also target that. Okay, then it does not mean that all customers from country X are the same, but it is a valid, solid starting point for defining your what? Your campaign and hopefully boosting your sales. So how could this boost our sales? Okay, it does not mean that all customers from country X are the same. So you may happen to find that customers, okay, as the statement says, that it does not mean that all customers from the country X are the same, but it is believed, but it is a valid, sorry, but it is a valid, solid starting point for defining your campaign and hopefully boosting your ads. How do you decide which country should you target with your ads campaign? There is a country. So what are country tiers? What tiers? Country tiers are lists of countries sorted by different economic and financial factors. Simply put, the wireless. Okay, let us first go back. Country tiers are lists of countries sorted by different economic and financial factors. Simply put, the wealthiest nations, the ones that have the highest salaries and disposable income, are ranked at the top. Less economically, so with less resources, are ranked low down the list. Okay, this way advertisers can understand at a glance. Okay, then generally speaking, and ad networks divide countries into three different tiers. Okay, so we've like tried to see what they are. So if we go down and maybe read this, some of the tiers three countries are Tanish, mathematics, and you get that. So some of the tier 3 countries are Tunisia, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Jordan, India, and Armenia and Alabama. Okay, so those are the countries in the tier 3. So what is the, like, we are going to be looking at the pros and cons, the advantages and disadvantages of coming from a wonderful, okay, target audience is, so advantages of basically using advantages of you coming from a tier 1 or just a company. Okay, so after we start with the advantages, target audience is more likely to spend money because of the large disposable income. Okay, higher payouts, English is the main language, most customers have credit cards or other means. Then huge audience, especially on mobile phones. Then cons, those are the disadvantages. Traffic is more than expensive, the CPC rates are high. Okay, lots of competition, market saturation, regulations are strict. Okay, so regulations are strict. Then tier 2 countries, pros and cons. So almost these are the same. Okay, now at least we have understood these countries that fall in the what, in the different categories. Why are they having tier 1? Why are they qualifying for TI what, tier 1? So why would we go for the tier 1? What I would say about it is to earn bigger and better. As I gave you an example of 2 videos, one is basically maybe for Uganda where I come from, and another one you upload it and change your needs to what, to F4. Sorry, I'm a little bit dozy, but we shall get up, we shall catch up. Yeah, so basically when you market in a country that is a tier 1 country, it basically means that you'll be earning bigger when people happen to click on your video than these East African countries. Okay, then the other thing, some of what I may say is credit cards are almost everywhere, Visa cards are almost everywhere. So please subscribe. I'll continue sharing more content, even more than this, so endeavor to see that you subscribe. My camera got some issues, so I'm sorting it out. I'll continue recording some videos so that you see me on screen talking about stuff like this. So thank you for watching. I love you.